What was that?
I think that was my gut.
God, this is just like Hideki. If we listen to it, we'll get rich.
You really think it could work?
I think someone does.
They need to be together. What's that?
Need an investor?
Oh my God, we're really doing this!
I know, it's really gonna happen.
And the best part is we'll be equal partners.
With only a verbal contract based on trust.
What more is necessary among friends?